Secrets of Success Affiliate Review: Unlocking Free Traffic for Your Business. In the vast landscape of affiliate marketing, driving traffic to your offers is the key to success. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies to get free traffic for your business through the Secrets of Success Affiliate Review. Firstly, leverage the power of social media platforms. Create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Share valuable insights related to the Secrets of Success products, weaving in your affiliate links naturally. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter can serve as powerful tools to reach a broader audience organically. Next, harness the potential of content marketing. Start a blog or contribute articles to platforms related to your niche. Craft compelling and informative content around the Secrets of Success products, incorporating your affiliate links strategically. This not only establishes you as an authority, but also attracts organic traffic through search engines. Engage in community forums and discussions. Participate in relevant online communities where your potential audience gathers. Provide genuine value, answer questions, and subtly introduce the Secrets of Success affiliate program when it fits the conversation. Building relationships within these communities can lead to organic traffic as trust is established. My favorite social media platform is YouTube. Consider creating YouTube content. Video marketing is a dynamic way to showcase the benefits of Secrets of Success products. Craft engaging and informative videos, sharing your personal experiences and insights. Don't forget to include your affiliate links in the video description to direct viewers to the affiliate program. Lastly, explore the world of email marketing. Build an email list by offering valuable content or resources related to Secrets of Success. Regularly communicate with your subscribers, sharing updates, promotions, and exclusive insights. Incorporate your affiliate links strategically to drive traffic and conversions. By implementing these strategies, you can unlock a steady stream of free traffic for your business through the Secrets of Success affiliate program. Experiment with different approaches, stay consistent, and watch your affiliate marketing efforts flourish. Is this conversation helpful so far? Hit the subscriber button for more marketing tips. For several free courses on affiliate marketing, go to www.secretsofsuccesses.com.